Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tesla Model S battery. This is a complex procedure involving high voltage and heavy components, typically performed by trained professionals. We will cover the critical safety precautions, the specialized equipment needed, and a step-by-step overview of the removal and installation process. Understanding these aspects is crucial for anyone considering or overseeing such a significant vehicle service. Before beginning any work, safety is paramount. You must wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect against the 400 volts present in the battery system. Power down the vehicle completely and disable the high voltage interlock loop. Specialized tools are essential, including a robust battery lift table to manage the 544-kilogram battery pack, insulated socket sets, and a high-voltage multimeter for testing. The removal process begins by activating jack mode if your Model S has air suspension. Next, remove the underbody aero shields and various protective covers to access the battery. Crucially, disconnect the high-voltage cables, easily identified by their orange color, ensuring the system is fully de-energized. Finally, systematically unbolt the many fasteners that secure the massive battery packed to the vehicle's chassis, preparing it for lowering. For installation, carefully raise the new battery pack into position using the lift table, aligning it precisely before securing all bolts to their specified torque. Reconnect the high-voltage cables and other electrical connections. Reinstall all underbody panels and covers. Finally, refill the battery's thermal management system with coolant and perform comprehensive diagnostic checks to ensure all systems are operating correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.